Hello everybody, I'm Shobit. So today I will show you how to create a unit test case and check for the code coverage. So for the unit test case, I'm using MS Unit. So for that I need to create a project. So I need to open Visual Studio. After that I go for new project. So I will create a console application. The name of the console application is Unit Test Demo. Okay, here we go. So this is my unit test demo application. I will create a function and after that I will write a unit test case for this function. So let's say I create a function sum. It will give me a sum of two number. I will put a check over here. If the number is not equals to 0, then I will get the sum of this number. Otherwise, I will return 0. So basically this is my function and I want to write unit test case for this function. Okay, so for the unit test case, I need to open Solution Explorer first. This is my Solution Explorer, and here in the solution I need to add one more project. Add new project, and in the new project I will need to add a test project which is a unit test project. So I give the name with unit test demo. Okay, it's already in my system, so I will give a name unit test demo 1. Okay, so this unit test project is created successfully. I need to write a unit test case for this sum function. For that I need to add the references. Right click on the references, add references, add the references of the unit test demo project which I have already created before, where the function where there was a function named sum. Okay, so this is my test method. I want to write a test method. Let's say test sum. In my main program file.cs, I need to make this as a public because I want to access the method of this class in my unit test case. I open that. I say program. Program is not available. I need to resolve using test demo. Program p equals to new program p dot sum. Here we can see that we have a method named sum. So in my sum I will pass 3 comma 4 as integer value, and after that I need to put assert. Assert is just to validate dot r equal sum is equal to 3 plus 4 equals to 7. Okay, so I have write a unit test case for the sum. I input 3 and 4 and I expected the values of the sum is equal to 7. So now it's time to run the program. So right click on that, run test. So build started. It will take a little bit of time because this is first time. You need to open the text explorer. Here you can see that it's ready. So for the first time it will take so much time, little bit time. So one test is passed. Here you can see that one test is passed. So right now I want to see the code coverage of that program. So if I right click on that analysis code coverage, it will give me lots of amount of data which tells me the code coverage of my program. So here in the unit test demo exe, here in the unit test demo in the program, I can see that the main program is not covered. If I double click on that, I can see that this is not come under the code coverage and this is not come under the code coverage. So here we can see that the sum functions not covered code coverage is 28.57. So I want to improve the code coverage of this my sum method. So for the code coverage I need to write a method which gives me a value 0. Okay, so I will write the same method. Open unit test again. So just copy this, test sum 0. So here I will pass 0 and here I will pass 0. I'm expecting 0. Okay, so the test, click on the Windows code coverage result now. Before watching code coverage, I need to run this test. So test sum 0 is passed and now I want to see the code coverage. Right click on test, code coverage, all test. So here we go. In my unit test demo exe, in my unit test demo and in the program class, here you can see that sum method not covered block is 0%. It means all the code written in this block are covered. So my code coverage for this sum method is 100%. So basically, as you all know, that code coverage is basically a matrix which gives me how much code is covered under my unit test case. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.